Now, student, I am going to teach you chapter number 1, computers of class 8th. So, for the first chapter, come to the first chapter, computer network. What is computer network? It is a group of computers and other peripheral devices. What are peripheral devices? The devices which are connected to CPU, that are known as peripheral divided devices. So, if many computers are there and other peripheral devices are there, and second thing is that they are linked to each other, they are connected to each other. If there are many computers are kept and they are not connected, so they are not in network. And why we link the computers, why we form a network? So we can just share our file, share our data. Suppose my computer and your computers are not linked to each other, so how I can share my file when I'm teaching to you? So the connect why we connect the computer, why we form a network, so we can share our file to our friends, to our family members, or whatever be the reason. So computer network, when group of computers are connected to each other to share file, resources, hardware devices, that is known as computer network. Now, I have told you that many computers are there and they are connected to each other for sharing file and resources. Now, how they are connected? If they are nearby, they can be connected through the wire. If they are very far, they can be connected to the satellites. Okay, so it depends upon the how far they are. Now, next thing, as I've told you, again I'm repeating, a network is a group of devices linked to one another. Again, a definition of networking which is given in your book: a computer network enables two or more computers to share data and peripheral devices. Minimum requirement to form a network is two. Okay, a single computer cannot connect it to itself. So what is the minimum requirement to form a network? Two, minimum two, and maximum can be many. Why they are formed in a network? To share data. Okay, and peripheral devices, we share the peripheral devices also. They communicate with each other, they just link to each other, they can share the file to each other, and they can work independently also. It is not like that when a computer is formed in a network they cannot work independently also. You can sit on the system and you can work in a group also when the computers are connected to a network.